Alright, these guys are going to take a bath, and I noticed here it says chrome vanadium on that handle, so hopefully they're actually good and will come back to function. We shall see. Alright, I ran them through the wire brush real quick just to knock off the easy outer rust. Now we'll see if there's any magic left in my magic juice. Alright. Through the magic of YouTube, we'll see how they turn out. Well, Toolerinos, they've been in the magic juice for about 5 days at this point. I did add this rusty inside measuring caliper type tool, but that's only been in for a day. So I think we'll let that soak a little bit longer, but let's check on the pliers. Well, it certainly looks a lot less rusty. Let's see if it'll move. Aha! Movement. There we go. There it goes. Alright. So, get that wiped off and oiled and put back into service. Next. Alright. Also looks a lot better. Let's see if it'll move. Yep, a little easier than the last one. Yeah. Sounds funny. Spring is working. There we go. So I think that too will clean up and go back in service. And one more. This one's closed. Okay, let's pull against the vice jaw here. There it goes. Whew, that one was a bit harder. There we go. Movement. This one is missing the spring, which is no problem. I've got springs in my hardware hoard. So, yep, I think the Magic Juice saved them. I think they're a benchtop brand, if I saw that correctly. Yeah, benchtop chrome vanadium. So probably made in Taiwan. They seem like they might clean up well and be decent tools. So, huzzah! Magic Juice wins again. Alright, they're cleaned up a little bit more, and I found that one of the springs that was still seemingly working was actually broken. So I only have one original spring still intact. So I got out my spring hoard and trimmed one of these gold ones down to length. And it works. So I will take care of one more with that and then use the original back in the other one. Magic Juice project complete. They're all functional. They all have their springs. They're all lubricated and cleaned up well enough to go back into service. I'm not going to go too crazy on them because that's all they needed. Alright, huzzah!